So at the age of 5, Walt Disney moved from the bustling city of Chicago to the rural, small town, Marceline, Missouri. This isn't a Mickey Mouse town. This is where 2 little boys with big dreams lived and played. Those boys were Roy and Walt Disney. Join me as I travel through this town and I find the magic that inspired Walt Disney. Well, I've made it to Marceline, Missouri. Here at the Disney family farm, you will find the home in which they lived. You can view the private residence from a distance, but it's not open to visitors. Visiting the Imagination Barn requires walking on a dirt path, following signs about Walt's life, passing the Dreaming Tree where he let his imagination take over. The Dreaming Tree met its demise in 2019, so it had clearly outlived Disney. And in a young tree planted to become the next dreaming tree in soil from the Magic Kingdom and watered from the rivers of America. Pure magic. Continue past the Dreaming Tree and you get to the Imagination Barn. In the Imagination Barn, you get to write your name. And I said in the barn, not on the outside. Since most of us don't have a chance to write on walls without being punished, I do recommend bringing a thick marker in order to leave your mark. Let's go to the post office. It was built long after Walt left as a child. It was built during the 1930s. This is the only post office that is named after Walt Disney. And inside you're going to see some oversized Disney stamps. Occasionally during the year, they will have special days where they will have a special hand-stamped cancellation. The gentleman who was in the post office told me the last time they did it in June, I think that he said 3,000 or 4,000 hand-stamped envelopes. There were 4 people, 3,000 hand-stamped cancellations, and 4 people to do it. Gets their arm a little sore at the end of the day. There's a lot of history in this small town, and there are 2 places which contain the most stories: Main Street and the Hometown Museum. The Walt Disney Hometown Museum lives in the restored railroad depot, built to house the Missouri Division offices of the Santa Fe Railroad. Throughout the museum are photos and excerpts from letters or quotations from members of the Disney family. The museum displays items connected to the railroad and a wealth of other artifacts from its collection, including a school desk someone with the initials WD carved into. And we're coming to the end of the line. Well, there are no trains that stop in Marceline anymore. There are trains that go by. In fact, I think I was told 70 trains a day. I did the math, and on average, a train goes by every 20 to 30 minutes. So you're going to hear some trains.